In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make designs private in Canva. If you've ever shared a design for feedback or collaboration and now need to lock it down, this quick walkthrough will help you secure your work so only you can see and edit it. Start by opening the specific project you want to make private. You'll need to be inside the design editor, looking at the canvas and your toolbar. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is your main control center for who can view or edit your design, and it's where you'll adjust access. When the sharing panel opens, you'll see options that describe who can access the design. Set the access level to Only You Can Access. This option ensures the design stays visible only within your account, with no collaborators, no public viewing, and no unintended edits. It's the strictest privacy setting and is ideal for sensitive drafts, client work, or templates you're not ready to release. If you previously granted access to other people, whether as viewers, commenters, or editors, you'll want to remove those permissions as well. In the same sharing area, click the gear icon in the top right. This opens additional controls that relate to who has access and what they're allowed to do. From here, select Remove Access to clear existing collaborators. This action revokes permissions for everyone at once, making sure no one you previously invited can open the design anymore. It's a reliable way to reset sharing if several people were added over time. Take a moment to confirm that the access level now reads Only You Can Access, and that there are no listed collaborators. That combination locks your project down completely. Remember, these settings apply to the design you're currently working on, so if you have multiple projects you want to secure, repeat the same process for each one. A couple of quick tips as you finalize this. Use these controls anytime your needs change. Share when you're collaborating, and switch back to Only You Can Access when you're done. If you ever reshare in the future, you can return to this panel to add collaborators or adjust permissions again. And that's it. Open your project, click Share. Set it to Only You Can Access, then use the gear icon and choose Remove Access if you've previously invited anyone. With those steps, your Canva design is private and protected.